Xiaomi officially released the self-contained traffic Xiaomi Play phone, 10 GB of traffic per month, continuous delivery for 1 year, 4 plus 64 GB of memory, storage, priced at 1,099 yuan or $160.09. Today, the 6 plus 64 GB or 128 GB memory, storage version of the Xiaomi Play phone has also been on the Xiaomi official website, priced at 1,299 to 1,599 yuan or $189.23 to $232.93. Xiaomi Mi Play is equipped with MediaTek P35 processor, supports GPU/CPU dual turbo processor, adopts 12 nanometers process. The highest frequency is 2.3 GHz, with 4 GB RAM plus 64 GB ROM. Xiaomi Mi Play is equipped with a 5.84-inch display with a resolution of 2280 x 1080. It has a contrast ratio of 1500 to 1 and 443p. It uses a water drop screen design to support the screen, luminous screen, and eye protection mode. This is also the first drop of Xiaomi screen phone. Photographing, Xiaomi Play front 8MP single camera, support face unlock, single camera blur rear 12MP plus 2MP AI dual camera, support AI portrait mode, background blur, multi-frame noise reduction, and automatic HDR function. In terms of battery life, Xiaomi Mi Play has a built-in 3000 mAh battery. In terms of design, Xiaomi Mi Play adopts dip dyeing process, and the gradient effect is natural and delicate, providing 3 colors of dawning gold, dream blue, and black. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.